This class is important just because using data at scale and working with large-scale data is an increasingly invaluable skill today. And especially, the application of data and bioinformatics to solving problems in the healthcare space, particularly like personalized medicine, are immense. And this course kind of gives you the tools in your toolkit to be able to do that.
I think this class was one of the most applicable classes ever. I had always been taught how to do the math, but never how to use it. And I think this actually allows us to use it. I mean, getting the experience and just the introduction to all the industry tools like AWS and Google Cloud was just absolutely amazing. I had never really messed with those things before. And now that I know them, I know to educate myself a little more. And next time when I have to use them, maybe for a job or internship, it won't be my first time. And it gets you thinking about, okay, so, science, but how are you going to use it to help people?
There's so much data that's out there right now, and being able to combine two different fields like computer science and biology allows you to answer so many different types of questions. And just in general, having that knowledge on how to be able to work through massive data sets enables you to do so much in various fields.
I think that there really is no other class like CS273C or of the many variants or sub-cross listings that it's called. I never really realized what data meant to not just the realm of healthcare, but also the realm of everything. These days, every decision we make is really dependent on the data that we have and grounding everything that we have in evidence. That way, we're not just making willy-nilly mistakes. And I think that is especially important for healthcare because we have so much data, but how are we going to move forward with processing and storing this data such that we can make decisions? So it's not even the point where we're ready to kind of make decisions because we have so much data. It's how can we build and manipulate the architecture for storing and processing data and then move forward to make decisions based on top of that?
I think it's a really good introduction to a really important field, especially approaching this class from the perspective of a biology major who had only taken a handful of introductory computer science classes. I didn't realize how entrenched in the field of technology was cloud computation, especially all the applications in biology. So that was eye-opening for me, and I think it will definitely have an impact on whatever sort of career I have in biology.
This is probably one of the most important classes at Stanford right now. If you just think about the moment of time and in history that we are right now in terms of healthcare innovation and specifically, I guess, medical innovation overall in terms of therapeutics, designing new kind of designer therapeutics based upon people's genome and based upon very specific understandings of disease and disease types and drivers.